Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing brightness and themes, and I'll show you how to customize them. Let's start by navigating to the settings. Go ahead and select Display from the settings menu. Within the display settings, you'll find options for both light and dark modes that you can choose based on your preference. If you prefer automatic adjustments, you can choose sunrise to sunset and ensure your location is set, allowing the schedule to adapt based on the time of day. Alternatively, you have the flexibility to manually set the schedule by specifying the start and end times. Adjusting brightness is just as simple. If you want your device to adapt to its environment automatically, you can consider enabling the adaptive brightness feature. You can slide the brightness bar to your desired level. You can also access the brightness settings from the drop-down menu, allowing you to change your device's brightness. Now you know how to effortlessly manage brightness and themes on your device.